teacher guides are present, they may also join their students on the stage. Next, Kalpesh, Vani, Vivek, Bhavishi and Venkat Rao for their digital pen which works on almost any surface. Next, Keval Dharmshi and Dhananjay Srivastav for laser ignited internal combustion engine. Please be generous in your claps. Nandini Bhandaru for ultra low cost tunable nanoscale patterns. Kamaljeet Singh for clubfoot orthosis. Kishore Kondamudi for reactor and catalyst development for oxygen evolving steps in sulfur iodine cycle for hydrogen production. The next category is Srishti Technological Edge, and the first one is Sidpara Ajay Mulji Bhai, nano finishing of free form services for prosthesis knee joint implants. Next, Rashmi Dilip Chaudhary and Abhijit Joshi for multifunctional nano in micro alginate microspheres for biosensing drug delivery and MRI. Ajesh Zakaria for highly gas impermeable elastomeric rubber blend nano composites. Aswathi Nair for a portable and efficient electronic filter for submicron particles from fluids. Maumita Bhattacharji for apparatus for making silk fiber based lamellar biomaterials to solve problem of the lower back. The next category of awards are Socially Relevant Technological Innovation Awards, and the first person is Aniruddha Thakur for hydro-operated square bottom paper and jute making machine which also generates electricity and filters water. Then we have Sandeep Udanti for novel standalone one-phase AC generator for rural electrification using renewable energy. Next, we have a team for e-diagnoser, Libin, Shibin, Adarsh, Jacob, Chitra Jacob, Nitya and Anup for their e-diagnoser and advanced low-cost patient monitoring watch. Naveen Kumar Rai for the third eye. Electronic support system for physically disabled, Margi Ashok Joshi, Vishal Patel, Chirag Patel and Jay Patel. Spectral Eye, Sai Vijay Gole, Saket Chaudhary and Yashesh Gaur. The next team for their automatic fish scaling machine, M. Rajesh Khanna, C. Mathan, M. V. Krishnamurthy and Mahesh Mithilesh. Automatic fish scaling machine. Keyur Sorathia, Amit Ranjan, Jagriti Kumar for Chetna. Raghunath Lohar for Vajra, the vessel desk. तालियों में कंजूसी ना करें. मनीषा मोहन, रिम्पी त्रिपाठी और नीलाद्री बसुबल. एक ग्रुप फोटो होगी अभी. जितने अवॉर्डीज हैं पीछे जो खड़े हैं उनसे अनुरोध है, प्लीज कम इन फ्रंट. सबका पॉसिबल है. थोड़ी शांति बनाए रखें. धन्यवाद. Thank you. We'll move on to the appreciation. Bala Vishnu, Karthik Kumar, Gautam Raj and Murli Prasant for their work on rearranging unused contacts in mobile phone for better accessibility. Vivek Kumar for development of bamboo epoxy nanocomposites for manufacturing of helmets and other structural applications. Jaideep Sunil Bhai Parmar and Ankur B. Thummar for automatic cloth spreader. Piyush Agarwal for hybrid classifier for marine vessel based upon propulsion type. Gaurav Kumar, Mohit Gandhi, Sanket, Harshal and Ankit for design of a smart automotive ventilation system for parked vehicles. Gaurav, Mohit, Sanket, Harshal and Ankit. Gyali Ravi Kumar for graphics model for power systems and design of online web-based virtual SCADA system for virtual power grid and future control systems. Chakola Soeb, Rafiq Bhai, Vaishali Thakkar, Nirav Patel, Tejal Gandhi for development and in vivo evaluation of novel cross-linked hydrogel containing antimicrobial drug for severe burns wounds. Amit Dinanath and Digvijay Maheshwari for their dredger. We have two appreciations in the technological edge category. Target-oriented niosome-based delivery of an anti-tubercle drug development and character Gyanendra Singh and A.K. Srivastav. MV Avinash, Carsten Smuck and Elizabeth for self-cleaning functional molecular material. थोड़ी सी शांति बनाए रखें. Request to be please bit quiet. Next, Jayesh Vrujlal for ambulatory health network application in socially relevant technological innovation category. Biswambar Mishra, Abhishek Gupta, mosquitocidal endotoxin from poultry farm waste. Rohit Singh, Hitarth Patel, Navnath Mane, Tanmay Shinde, Rahul Kapoor for Sancharak, a cell phone for blind people. Rohit, Hitarth, Navnath, Tanmay और Rahul. GR Malar Manan and Emmanuel Richards for semi-automatic rubber tapping machine. Sivarandam S, Anburanjan, Menaka and Sarath for prognosis of the pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes based on the non-invasive estimation of the blood glucose. आलाप क्षीर सागर, अभिजीत पाटिल, विकल्प जंबुलकर, Sari cutting machine for mat making handlooms. Devendra Goyal, Aditi Srinivasan and Nirali Salva, memory aid for people with disability. Ramdas MU, Sonu Inni Krishnan, Ashfaq Muhammad, Shaheen TA, Sri Lakshmi Suresh and Shruti. Comprehensive protection from electrocution. इसके बाद बुलाएंगे ना. Mayur Rastogi for high performance cooking stove. Mayur Rastogi. Vishnu Jayaprakash. Vishnu Jayaprakash. Vishnu Jayaprakash for cow dung based microbial fuel cell to light up Indian villages. फोटो करा लेते हैं. Sir, have a group photograph.